Hey everybody, welcome back to Lift of the Week. We're on episode 2 and I'm Thornton, owner and coach at Cumming Strength Fitness. I'm going to be sharing another awesome workout with you today, a 20-minute long exercise piece. In addition to an awesome recipe, one of my coaches, Alexa, is going to be sharing with you her very favorite burrito bowl. Let's get started. All right guys, let's hop right into the workout. Today I have a 20-minute long routine for you. It's called an every minute on the minute EMOM. And we're gonna have 4 different movements that we're gonna move through in that minute time frame. We're gonna start with the burpee, then we're gonna do a lunge, a plank, and a jumping jack. Let me show you what it's gonna look like. This is the burpee. We're gonna do burpees for 1 whole minute in our first set. This is what it looks like. That's 1. If you're not comfortable getting all the way down to the floor and hopping back up, you can do an elevated burpee and it's gonna look like this. You can use a chair, the side of a table, the side of a countertop, whatever's easy for you. You're gonna do a little push-up, hop, clap at the top. All right, minute number 2, you're gonna do 60 seconds of a plank, and I have a couple of variations to show you for that too. Level 1 is going to be on your elbows on the floor, making sure that you squeeze your legs and your bottom and that everything is nice and straight. Make sure you're not TP'd or saggy here. You just want a really straight plank. Level 2, we're gonna come up to our hands. This makes it a little bit easier. I'm here and I'm squeezing my shoulders. Again, keeping my core and my legs and my bum very tight here for 60 seconds for set 2. Okay, for minute 3, we're gonna be doing the jumping jack. The same exact way you did it in elementary school. We're gonna start with our feet underneath our hips. We're gonna send our feet out and arms go up. Looks like this. Okay, so for our 4th movement, we're gonna do the lunge. You're gonna start with your feet right under your hips and you're gonna step forward. Your back knee is gonna be close or touching the floor. Then you're gonna bring your feet back together. Alternating repetitions for 60 seconds for your final movement. So we have the lunge, we have the plank, the jumping jack, and the burpee. You're gonna perform each movement for 60 seconds until you've reached 20 minutes. Okay, now that we've worked up a good appetite, we're gonna talk about food. I'm gonna introduce you guys to one of my coaches, Alexa, and she's gonna share with you her favorite recipe, the Alexa Burrito Bowl. Enjoy it. Thank you guys for joining us for episode 2 of Lift of the Week. I can't wait to be with you again. Enjoy your workout, enjoy your recipe, and have a great rest of your week.
Hey guys, my name's Alexa and I'm a coach here at Cumming Strength Fitness. Today I have a super easy, super simple, versatile, and delicious recipe for you called Alexa's Burrito Bowl. So here's what you're gonna need to put together my favorite go-to burrito bowl. First, I use cubed sweet potatoes, cauliflower rice, ground turkey, taco seasoning, and any sort of other vegetables you want to top with. I usually do broccoli and tomatoes. I always start with baking my cubed sweet potatoes. So if you've got a whole sweet potato, chopping it up into small cubes. Sometimes if I need to keep it really simple, I'll grab a already cubed bag frozen at the grocery store. Go ahead and lay them out on a pan, sprinkle some oil on them, whatever seasoning. Sometimes I'll put a little bit of cinnamon, have them bake for 20-30 minutes, just depending on how many you're baking at a time. Then I will saute the cauliflower rice, usually in either an olive oil or a coconut oil. Usually takes about 5 minutes, if that, very quick. Saute ground turkey. I usually chop it up in a pan, ground turkey, add the taco seasoning. Once it's browned and you are good to go. Put it all into a bowl together. I like to mix it up and have just kind of like a medley mash.